Something bold that we can do within the first 2 years is to take decisive action on our housing crisis. We have a crippling housing shortage in this city, a 1.4% vacancy rate, and it is causing our rents to just continue skyrocketing. So something that we could do is get rid of some of these restrictive Jim Crow era zoning laws that are hampering our housing construction. We can get rid of parking mandates citywide. We can allow denser development near Outer Borough train station. We can get rid of single-family zoning citywide. We desperately need to take action on our housing crisis, which is the greatest crisis facing our city, and these are some simple ways to finally start building the housing that we need.
We are sitting here in the beautiful Gotham Park, and the reason I bring this up is because it's the answer to my question. So far, I've been involved in the building of Gotham Park. We have a beautiful 2 acres here. In a week and a half, we're opening up another 1.5 acres, and there are 9 acres here in total that we want to open up and create into a stunning open green space, which we like to call Highline 2.0. So as far as, I know this is realistic because we've already gotten $50 million of funding from New York City, from the mayor's office, and we're on our way towards doing it. So that is something that I actually really want to see happen in the next 2 years.
The single best idea that we can have for our community is building affordable housing. How do we get there? We get there by supporting community-based plans. On the east side of the district, we have the Chinatown Working Group Plan, which will mandate new affordable housing, but also protect tenants. Here on the west side, specifically Tribeca, we're working with community stakeholders right now to stop the 90-story luxury tower that they want to put in the middle of IPN, but also create a community plan where we mandate affordable housing here in Tribeca while also protecting our landmarks and our most sacred space in our green space.
The single biggest idea that I have for City Council District 1, it's not a new idea, and I think it's more important than any new idea can be. It's that I want to focus on having the city run well. New ideas, I think, are plentiful. However, before we get to that point of just new ideas, we have to ensure the city runs well. We have to focus on what the city isn't doing well right now. 2 examples that I have. For example, the homeless shelter system. We have a system that spends $2 to $3 billion a year. Where is the money going? How is it being used? How many people are transitioning towards independence? Are the taxpayers getting their value? That's an example. I would focus on these issues within government first.